Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is April the 9th and we are looking at the chart of the S&P 500 SPX. This is a cash instrument, meaning it only opens when the market is open. It's not 24 hours, right? It's not futures. So let's see what we got here. So we completed this with 2 right here. Subdivision is WXY, as you can see in the minor degree in the red color here. Then that means we are already turning higher within wave 3, and within wave 3 currently we are still in the early stage, right? Still trying to rally in a 5 waves, in the process of doing so. Then once the 5 waves is complete, we should be getting a 3 pullback to correct this entire cycle before it goes higher again. Eventually it can make new all-time high again. So let me look at the daily time frame. This is wave 2. Okay, so that means the wave 1 is right here on the daily time frame. So what we are looking at right now is a correction against this April cycle, this April 7 2025, right? This rally ended right here in late January, and then we finished the correction on late March. Now we're starting the next leg up. We still need to break above that previous peak to confirm this is really in place, and we're not going to be doing yet a bigger double correction WXY like so. Okay, as you can see right here, the WXY has the beauty of the system here is that no matter how big the correction is, if you follow the principle, it does have a pretty decent probability that right, I'm just copying the X and the Y and the W here on the daily time frame. It has a decent probability to get some sort of reaction when you are trading in the right area. So like this WXY, this one is the 100% extension area. Okay, and then once it reaches here, it bounces, starts to rally. So if you are long from this area, right, then obviously by now the position is risk free, right, because it has already started to go higher, meaning you can take partial profit, you can move stop loss, and now we're just simply waiting to see if we can make new high. If not, then like I said, instead of 1 2 3 4 5, this could become ABC and then fail and then turn lower again afterwards if it turns out to be unable to break into a new all-time high. Okay, so that's basically where we are right now with the SPX. Let's see in the next few sessions to see if we can continue to go higher and breaks to new high or not. And if you want to get more updates, feel free to check out service. We have 14 days trial. You can use the link in the description of the video. I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day to you all.